Hi guys, this is one more thing new I am going to show you. This is a BQ mobile Aquarius 5.0. There's a megapixel is inside the camera and the name of BQ, and this is the mobile is not so much famous, but it's still running in the market. So this mobile was a drop down, and it's the same problem. Have a microphone cannot hear, the speaker cannot hear, and sometimes the customer says phone can on can work, but no sound, no nothing, and mostly it's cannot on. So we are going to check it. What's the problem with this phone? We repair it and later we check it. I show you how easy way to open, how to repair, and how to check this mobile. I show you. First of all, we remove the cover. There's a side one glue small place behind cover. We remove out, and we remove the battery, remove the SIM card, and rest we open the screws. There's a normal screwdriver that you can see in here. If camera show you, this is the screwdriver that we are using in here. Yeah, that's it. We are gonna open it. We turn it like this. Yes, 1 2 3. There's a 4th screw, 5th, number 6. Okay, here's the one more thing. There's a hidden screw under of this. You can see no broken. This is the warranty sticker there. This is from the company, but this is mobile have expired warranty, so we are gonna open it. Once we open it, there's a you can claim for the guarantee from company. So we remove this screw also. This is sometimes put hidden screw that some non-professional peoples, they don't know where the screws, and they remove even they break this casing. So this is a very important part. You must have to find out any hidden screw have or not inside. So if you don't have, you can remove it. If have, you have to remove the screw first, and then you can remove the casing. This is the thing that we open it. We all remove the screws. We gonna open it. You can see the cover is from the side. We put fingernail and thumbnail, or you can use the puller also, is the same thing, but mostly we did like this. It's very easy to remove. You can see the cover is open. Samsung phone also like this, and this phone also like this. And when you open it, you must remember there's some switch button on top, the plastic buttons that is always drop down. So this is our BQ mobile that we just now open. We're gonna check it, the motherboard first, and then charging point also. The many things we will check, and we will remove the jacks first, the flags that connected with the motherboard. That's very important part. So this is the screen, or maybe touch panel. The jack we remove. The internal camera, that one, the front camera, we remove out. And this flex one more coming. This is coming below of this part. We have to remove out also. Remove out these jacks. There's a small jack inside. We remove out this cable. You can see here. We push a bit behind like this. It can come out. So our board is gonna free. There's no screw, but there's, you can see the small clips. We just push like this and pull up, and it can come out. It's come out from the cables, flags all separated, and that's it. This is our motherboard. It's come out from the motherboard, mobile motherboard. That's it, guys. This is the thing that we are gonna remove it, and we remove it very clearly. We are gonna check it. We open these things. Guys, this is the motherboard. We remove out. This is the cover come out from on top, and we can see there's a below a lot of chips, and this circuit also have a chips, and this side also there's a one cell, a CMOS battery. There's a controlling date and time, and we gonna remove this is some other parts. No, I think no need. The internal camera, and that's it. We gonna reflow it first, and we gonna check it. We put in the weight that the things in plug in the hinge. We fix it inside like this. It can punch the motherboard. It cannot remove. I'm gonna show you how we will reflow it in the low temperature of hot air gun machine. I use it first. Guys, this is my blower machine that I'm gonna use. You can see here the temperature I use very low to 95 means 300 centigrade temperature. It's a very low temperature in this model machine. It's for especially mobiles. So that I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna use it. So this is the machine. I'm gonna put in here camera. I show you how to refill. Okay guys, there is in this motherboard we no need to put any paste or any kind of things. Just we on the chips, there's a chips you can see there's a lightly reflow on top. This is the chip and this chip, this all chip side. We will reflow a few minutes like this. Mean we give a normal temperature to this motherboard. If any physical damage or anything inside the problem, that's make a loose circuit or dry solder or some parts are go out, and if broken anything, this is can cover up. So this is the thing. Then we will give a heat. We give hot air gun. The temperature of a motherboard will go high a little bit, and solder will melt, and then it will be reconnect back. That is the thing. That is a very important part in the all of the motherboard level work. Either it's laptop motherboard, either it's mobile motherboard, any kind of motherboard that's using the small chips or soldering connection. There's a connected with the copper wires. There's a lot of have problems. So we will give a normal heat temperature, and we call it a reflow. We reflow the motherboard, and then the temperature will be accurate. Then it can be connect back. We can check it later, and I will show you how. Few minutes we reflow here, and a few minutes we reflow here. That's it guys. We give already the few minutes the heat on this motherboard. Mean you can give the heat a few minutes, mean 3-4 minutes maximum. So this motherboard will get a temperature, so it can recover up the things that we want. And this is a important point also. So that's it. We waited for cool down the motherboard, but remember there's a jack connector, this place and this place, and this is the flex. Don't get the heat on this flex or this connector camera place. That is will melt, and later on it's kind of working. Okay, I will wait for the cool down and we check it. Guys, this is a mobile. We are gonna fix it back the exact place. This is below jack that you must remember to put back it's properly. Once it's plugged in, then you can check the other things also. So let's say plug in first, and then I will show you how. Guys, we put it back the motherboard, but must remember below of here you can see inside the jack, this is the flex cable that is must be plugged in properly. When you put like this, you press on top a bit like this, it can sit on the exact place, so jack can plugged in back. So the side jack, screen jack we plug in. When it sit one little bit, you push up, and then it can be make a small sound tick like this. This is the camera flex. It's also connected, and this is the another front things connector. This is a jack inside. I'm gonna put it back. Okay, it's plugged in. You can see the cable go inside. Let me push and turn up the clip, and this is the antenna cable that is also plugged in back properly. That's it. You can hear the sound tick. It means it's plugged. So that's all. We're gonna check it. This is the volume button. It's on top power switch. We're gonna check it. Plug in battery. That's it. Press the button, power button is on. Try to on it. Yeah, it's on. BQ, you can see the signal. It's power on. Before that it won't turn on directly. This is the first thing that we plugged in. It's accurately powered on. You can see Aquarius. It's name of mobile. BQ Aquarius. Yeah. That's it. Yes, it's recovering the image of window or whatever Android software. Yeah, that's it. The client pictures, photos, everything you can see it. Okay, let's check it. There's some WhatsApp error. Yeah, there's another things. We check it. The sound, microphone. No, it's for the Google. check in here. Recording. Hello, 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 testing. Mic text. Hello, hello, testing. 1 2 3 testing. You can see once I speak, the things is moving. So we check it now. Play. Oh, I think the speaker is outside here. I have to plug in speaker first and then we can check it. Okay, 1 minute. Guys, we plugged in first this back cover with the speaker. That's connected with the speaker. We put on top first. Same thing how was removed. Same thing we put and we push clips like this. It's clipped up. It's back. You can hear the sound tick tick. It's been plugged back. So that's all. Must have to put the screw. I think the speaker is in here. We put the 2 screws here also. At least it can plugged in back with the casing. Then we can hear it. Okay, we put the 3 screws here, the below screws. Important part of this mobile. Hope you can see what I'm telling you. This is a different screw in here. I think, yeah, that's it. It's plastic screw for the plastic place, and that's it. We plugged. We on it again. PQ coming up. Yes. Wait for on. Okay guys, exact place. This is on back again. I was just now record my sound. I check it play.
Hello, mic check testing.
You can hear.
Testing.
It's working.
Testing.
That's it. Our job is done. We done it. What was the problem? I think this is the problem because this phone was a drop down, and then it's got some problem with the circuit or some jacks. Sometime when we drop the phones, there's a lot of things in the mobiles and electronic item. They are using the electrons. It's got a bit damage. So this is the way we service it. We call it we service of the motherboard. We give the hot air and then it can be fix it back. It can be work it back. So this phone was previously it's not on. Sometimes it can on but no sound and no other voice people can hear, and another people also can hear. You can call but no other one can hear you. And we are almost fix it back. We done it back. Anytime we off, we try again, we off it again one more time. I remove the battery, I plugged in, we check it again, we punch the power button. Yeah, PQ. Wait until open the window. Queries opening. I put it back the cover behind cover. Our job is almost done. This is the pin code of SIM card. I plugged in SIM also. It's running opening. Yeah guys, that's it. It's open.